Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to send money from Trust Wallet to Cash App. So, let's get started. First of all, I'd like to quickly point out that, as of today, it's not possible to transfer money directly from Trust Wallet to Cash App. What you have to do instead is transfer your money to an exchange wallet like Binance. In this video, what I'm going to be doing and showing you is how to transfer your money from Trust Wallet to Binance, and then transfer the money on Binance to Cash App. So first, inside of your Trust Wallet, what you have to do is sell the coin, and you're going to get BSC, Binance Smart Chain, for the coins that you sell. Once you acquire BSC, you will be able to transfer or convert that BSC into BNB, Binance Coin. In this video, we're going to be using the Binance wallet as our exchange wallet. What we have to do now, after we convert the BSC to BNB inside of Trust Wallet, is to transfer the BNB to Binance using the wallet address that we got from Binance. After we receive the BNB inside of Binance, we can sell that for US dollars. With the US dollars inside of our Binance account, or any other exchange wallet that you choose, you will be able to send the actual amount of US dollars or funds that you have to your Cash App by inputting your account and routing number. Sadly, this process is a bit lengthy because Trust Wallet does not allow us to directly connect to Cash App, so you will need to go through an exchange wallet first. If you don't have Cash App, you can use the link in the description to sign up to Cash App and we will both get $5. The exact steps you need to take to get your free $5 are in the description as well.